CCP's a killer. Shame on killer. Shame on killer. Stop the killings in Tibet. Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government. China kidnapped the Panchen Lama.
Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government.
Where's the Panchen Lama now?
Where's the Panchen Lama now?
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
China is the killer.
China is the killer.
Shame on killer.
Shame on killer.
China is the liar.
China is the liar.
Stop lying to the world.
Stop lying to the world.
Tibet was never part of China.
Tibet was never part of China.
Tibet for Tibetan.
Tibet for Tibetan.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Release the political prisoners now.
Release the political prisoners now.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
China is the guilty.
Guilty of genocide. Stop the genocide in Tibet. Right now, right now. Shame on Chinese government.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama.
Kidnap the Panchen Lama.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Where is the Panchen Lama? Where is the Panchen Lama? Where is the Panchen Lama now? Shame on Chinese government. China is a liar. Stop lying to the world. Our leader is the best. Stop lying to the world. Tibet's never part of China. Shame on Chinese government.
Shame, shame, China, shame.
China is a killer.
China is the killer.
Shame on killer.
Shame on killer. Stop the killings in Tibet.
Right now, right now.
Right now.
Down, CCP. China out of Tibet now.
China out of Tibet now.
Tibet for Tibetans.
Tibet for Tibetans.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
China is the liar.
China is the liar.
Stop lying to the world.
Stop lying to the world.
Tibet is never part of China.
Tibet is never part of China.
Tibet belongs to Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to Tibetans.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Release the political prisoners now.
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 Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now. China kidnapped the Panchen Lama.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama.
Shame on Panchen Lama.
Shame on the Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on the Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama
When he was 6 years old.
when he was 6 years old.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama
When he was 6 years old.
When he was 6 years old.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government. Release the Panchen Lama now. Release the Panchen Lama now. Shame on Chinese government. Shame, shame, China, shame. Release the political business now.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama. When he was 6 years old.
Shame on Chinese government.
Panchen Lama is the youngest political prisoner in the world.
Shame on Chinese government. Release the Panchen Lama now. Release the Panchen Lama now. We want Panchen Lama. Right now, right now. Shame, shame, China, shame. China kidnapped the Panchen Lama.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government. Release the Panchen Lama now. Shame on Chinese government. Liar, Chinese government. Serve lie to the world. Shame on Chinese government. Allow the media in Tibet. Media freedom in Tibet. Serve lie to the world. Allow the media in Tibet. Shame on Chinese government. Killer Chinese government. Stop the killers in Tibet. Right now, right now. Liar, Chinese government. Free Tibet, China out. Free Tibet, China out. China out of Tibet, no. Tibet for Tibetan. Free Tibet, China out. Speaking in Peggy Double Pemeye. Kama Pene Bajoshi. Longshore Pemito. Peggy Nala Rawame. Lenga Rangse Lenga. Longshore Pemito. Macha, Simshu Macha. Macha, Simshu Macha. Peggy Double Pemi. Kama Bene Pajoshi. Free Tibet, China out. Free Tibet, China out. China out of Tibet now. Shame on Chinese government. China is the guilty. Guilty genocide. Stop the genocide in Tibet. Shame on Chinese government. Shame, shame, China, shame. Release the political business now. Release the political business now. Shame on Chinese government. China kidnapped the Panchen Lama. Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government. Release political business.
China out of Tibet now! Tibet for Tibetans! Tibet for Tibetans! Tibet for Tibetans! Tibet for Tibetans! Shame, China shame! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! Tibet for Tibetans! Tibet for Tibetans! Free Tibet, China out! Free Tibet, China out! Free Tibet, China out! Free Tibet, China out! Leave China out of Tibet! Leave China out of Tibet! Right now! Right now!
Right now, right now.
China out of Tibet!
Right now, right now. Free Tibet, China out. Free Tibet.
China out!
Shame on Chinese government. Shame, shame, China, shame. China out of Tibet now. Tibet for Tibetan. Shame, shame, China, shame. Shame, shame, China, shame. Loyal, loyal Chinese government. Stop lie to the world. Tibet is never part of China. Stop lie to the world. Stop lie to the world. Tibet belongs to Tibetan. Tibet belongs to Tibetan. Stop lie to the world. Too long, too long. China out of Tibet now. China out of Tibet now. Too long, too long. China out of Tibet now. Shame on Chinese government. Too long, too long. China out of Tibet now. China out of Tibet now. Tibet belongs to Tibetan. Tibet belongs to Tibetan. Shame, shame, China, shame. China kidnapped the Panchen Lama. Shame on Chinese government. China kidnapped the Panchen Lama.
还有一波人，还有一波人，那波人跳的。
Shame on Chinese government. Release the Panchen Lama now. Shame on Chinese government.
30 years of missing Panchen Lama. 30 years of missing Panchen Lama.
Too long, too long.
30 years of disappearance Panchen Lama.
Too long, too long.
Release Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Release Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
China kidnapped the Panchen
China
Lama.
kidnapped the Panchen Lama.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Release Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Right now, right now.
Right now, right now.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama.
Kidnap the Panchen Lama.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame, China, shame.
Shame, shame, China shame. China out of Tibet now. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Shame on Chinese government. Release the political business now. Release the political business now. Release the Panchen Lama now. Shame on Chinese government. Shame, shame, China shame. China out of Tibet. Tibet belongs to Tibet. Release the Panchen Lama now. Where is the Panchen Lama now? China lies, people die. China lies, people die. Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government. Stop the genocide in Tibet. Stop the genocide in Tibet. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. China out of Tibet now. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Stop the genocide. Just stop the genocide, people. China lies, people die. China lies, Tibetan dies. Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government. Liar, liar, Chinese government. Stop lying to the world. Stop lying to the world. Shame on the Chinese government. Shame on the Chinese government. China out of Tibet now. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Media freedom in Tibet. Allow the media in Tibet. China is the guilty. Guilty war genocide. Shame, shame, China shame. Shame, shame, Chinese government. Stop lying to the world. China out of Tibet now. Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Stop the killings in Tibet. China lies, Tibetan dies.
Stop the genocide.
First place.
China lies, Tibetan dies.
China lies, Tibetan dies.
Where is the Panchen Lama now?
Where is the Panchen Lama now? Release the Panchen Lama now. Shame, Chinese government. Shame, Chinese government. Where is the Panchen Lama? Release the Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now. Release the Panchen Lama now. Release the Panchen Lama now. Release the Panchen Lama now. China lies, people die.
China lies, people die. Shame, China shame. China out of Tibet now. China out of Tibet now. Loyal, Chinese government. So blind to the world. How do you do? Stop the genocide in Tibet. Release the Panchen Lama now. Stop the genocide in Tibet. Where is the Panchen Lama now? Where now? China, where is the Panchen Lama now? We want Panchen Lama. We want Panchen Lama. Release Panchen Lama. Release Panchen Lama. We want Panchen Lama. Release the Panchen Lama now. Release the political business now. Shame on Chinese government. Loyal Chinese government. Stop lying to the world. Shame, China shame. Enough is enough, China enough. Release the Panchen Lama now. Where is the Panchen Lama now? Release the Panchen Lama now. China is guilty. Guilty of genocide. Release the Panchen Lama now. Where is the Panchen Lama now? Shame on Chinese government. Shame, China shame. Loyal Chinese government. Okay. China. Free Tibet, China out.
Tibet belongs to Tibet. Let China out of Tibet. China out of Tibet now. Stop the torture in Tibet.
Stop the torture in Tibet.
CCP out of Tibet.
Xi Jinping out of Tibet.
CCP out of Tibet.
Being out of Tibet.
Tibet belongs to Tibet.
Tibet belongs to Tibet.
Where is the Panchen Lama now?
Where is the Panchen Lama now?
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Where is the Panchen Lama now?
Free the Panchen Lama now.
The Panchen Lama now.
Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government.
is the Panchen Lama now? China, where is the Panchen Lama now? Enough is enough! China, enough! Stop the tortures in Tibet! Stop the genocides in Tibet! China lies, people die! Shame on Chinese government! China, where is the Panchen Lama now? China, where is the Panchen Lama now? China, release the Panchen Lama now! China, free the Panchen Lama now! Religious freedom in Tibet!
Religious freedom in Tibet!
Religious freedom in Tibet!
Release the Panchen Lama now! Stop the torture in Tibet!
Torture in Tibet.
China lies, people die!
China lies, people die.
Stop the genocide in Tibet!
Not the good guy in Tibet.
China lies, people die!
China lies, people die!
Stop the killing in Tibet! People die! Media freedom in Tibet! China is guilty! Guilty of genocide! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Release the Panchen Lama now! Where is the Panchen Lama now?
Where is the Panchen Lama now?
China, where is the Panchen Lama now?
China, where is the Panchen Lama now? Shame on Chinese government! Shame on CCP! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Lama Pini Perdoshi! China out of Tibet now! Long live the Dalai Lama! Long live the Dalai Lama! Tibet, China out! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Stop the tortures in Tibet! Stop the killings in Tibet! China lies, Tibetan dies! Shame, shame, China, shame! China lies, Tibetan dies! Media freedom in Tibet! China is guilty! Guilty of genocide! Shame, shame, China, shame! Shame, shame, China, shame! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Stop the genocides in Tibet! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! China lies, Tibetans die!
Media freedom in Tibet!
Media freedom in Tibet!
China, where is the Panchen Lama now?
China, where is the Panchen Lama now?
Release the Panchen Lama now!
Where is the Panchen Lama now?
We want Panchen Lama! Panchen Lama? Where is the Panchen Lama now? China lies, people die. Bring Tibet, China out. Bring Tibet, China out. Shame, shame, China, shame. China out of Tibet now.
Out of Tibet now.
Stop the killing in Tibet. China lies, people die. Shame, shame, China, shame. Release the Panchen Lama now. Where is the Panchen Lama now? Where is the Panchen Lama now?
Where is the Panchen Lama now?
Panchen Lama was the 6 years old, youngest political prisoner in the world. Shame on China!
Shame on China!
Shame, shame, China, shame!
Shame, shame, China, shame!
Bring Tibet, China out!
Free Tibet, China out! Free Tibet, China out! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Release the Panchen Lama now! Where is the Panchen Lama now? China is guilty! Guilty of genocide! Shame, shame, China, shame! China out of Tibet now! Long live the Dalai Lama! Long live the Dalai Lama! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Stop the genocides in Tibet! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Religious freedom in Tibet! Release the Panchen Lama now! Release the Panchen Lama now! Release the Panchen Lama now! China, China, where is the Panchen Lama now? China, where is the Panchen Lama now? China, free the Panchen Lama now! China, free the Panchen Lama now! We want Panchen Lama! Long live the Dalai Lama! Long live the Panchen Lama!
Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Release the Panchen Lama now!
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 China lies, Tibetans die!
China Lord Tibetans down! Stop the tortures in Tibet! Stop the torture in Tibet! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Release the Panchen Lama now!
Enough is enough!
Enough is enough! China enough! Media freedom in Tibet! Media freedom in Tibet! China is guilty! Guilty of genocide! Shame, shame, CCP!
China, where is the Panchen Lama now? Stop lying to the world. Release the Panchen Lama now. Stop lying to the world. Free the Panchen Lama now. Shame, shame, China, shame. Free Tibet, China out. Free Tibet, free Tibet. Free Tibet, free Tibet. Shame, shame, China, shame. Shame, shame, CCP.
China out of Tibet now.
China out of Tibet now.
Tibet lost to Tibetans.
Tibet lost to Tibetans.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama
when he was 6 years old.
when he was 6 years old.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Panchen Lama is the youngest political prisoner in the world.
Panchen Lama is the youngest political prisoner in the world.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
30 years of his disappearance. Release Panchen Lama now. 30 years of his disappearance. Release Panchen Lama now. China, where's the Panchen Lama now?
China, where is the Panchen Lama now?
We want Panchen Lama.
We want the Panchen Lama.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama
when he was 6 years old.
when he was 6 years old.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Panchen Lama is the youngest political prisoner in the world.
Panchen Lama is the youngest political prisoner in the world.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
30 years of Panchen Lama's disappearance.
Too long, too long.
Release Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Release the political prisoners 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 now.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
China is the guilty.
China is guilty.
Guilty of genocide.
Guilty of genocide.
Stop the genocide in Tibet.
Stop the genocide in Tibet.
Right now, right now.
Right now, right now.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Longsho, Pimi Tong.
Longsho, Burmese Tong.
Wendy Nama, Robo Bay.
Baby Nala, Rawabe.
Longsho, Pimi Tong.
Longsho, Burmese Tong.
Haku Nako, Pimi Ye.
Baby Tambo, Burmese.
Come on, Pimi Pokushe.
Come on, Brennan Parkushe.
Longsho, Pimi Tong.
Longsho, Burmese Tong.
Maja, Simchu, Maja.
Maja, Simshu, Maja.
Haki Nako, Pimi Ye.
Baby Tambo, Burmese.
Come on, Pimi Pokushe.
Come on, Brennan Parkushe.
Out, out, China out.
Out, out, China out.
China out, Tibet now.
China out of Tibet now.
Tibet out, Tibetans.
Tibet born Tibetans.
Tibet goes to Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to Tibetans.
Stop lying to the world.
Stop lying to the world.
Tibet was never part of China.
Tibet was never part of China.
Tibet part, Tibet this.
Tibet born Tibetans.
Shame on Chinese government. Shame on Chinese government. Shame, China, shame. Shame on Chinese government. Stop colonial boarding school in Tibet.
Stop the colonial boarding schools in Tibet.
Right now, right now.
Right now, right now.
Stop the colonial boarding school
Tibetan is not a crime.
Learning Tibetan is not a crime.
Learning Tibetan is not a crime.
Stop closing Tibetan school in Tibet.
Stop closing Tibetan school in Tibet.
Right now, right now.
Right now, right now.
Stop the colonial boarding school in Tibet.
Stop the colonial boarding school in Tibet.
Right now, right now.
Right now, right now.
Stop closing Tibetan school in Tibet.
Stop closing Tibetan school in Tibet.
Learning Tibetan is not a crime.
Learning Tibetan is not a crime.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Stop the torture in Tibet.
Stop the tortures in Tibet.
Right now, right now.
Right now, right now.
Stop the genocide in Tibet.
Stop the genocide in Tibet.
Right now, right now.
Right now, right now.
Shame, shame, China, shame.
Shame, shame, China, shame.
Shame, shame, China, shame.
Shame, shame, China, shame.
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama
China kidnapped the Panchen Lama
when he was 6 years old.
When he was 6 years old.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
Panchen Lama is the youngest political prisoner in the world.
Panchen Lama is the youngest political prisoner in the world.
Shame on Chinese government.
Shame on Chinese government.
30 years of Panchen Lama's disappearance.
Too long, too long.
Release Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Release the Panchen Lama now.
Where is the Panchen Lama now?
Where is the Panchen Lama now?
We want Panchen Lama.
We want Panchen Lama.
Right now, right now.
Right now, right now.
Shameless China out of Tibet.
Shameless China out of Tibet.
Right now, right now.
Right now, right now.
Loyal China out of Tibet.
Lion China out of Tibet.
Right now, right now.
Right now, right now.
Shame on.
Chinese bullying.
Shame on.
Chinese bullying.
Who is the killer?
China is the killer.
Who is the killer?
China is the killer.
Who is the killer?
China is the killer.
Shame on killer.
Shame on killer.
Who is the liar?
China is the liar.
Who is the liar?
China is the liar.
Shame on liar.
Shame on liar.
What do we want?
We want freedom.
What do we want?
We want freedom.
Why do we want it?
Right now, right now.
Right now, right
What
now.
do we want?
Tibet, free
What do
Tibet.
I want? What do we want?
We want freedom.
Why do we want it?
No, no.
Where? Free
Tibet, China out.
Free Tibet, China out.
Free Tibet, China out.
Free Tibet, China out.
Free Tibet, China out.
China out of Tibet now.
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 Tibet fall, Tibet dead.
Tibet full, Tibet dead.
Free Tibet, China out.
Free Tibet, China out.
Shame, shame, China shame.
Shame, shame, China shame.
Shame, shame, China shame.
Shame, shame, China shame.
Stop Long live the Dalai Lama! Long live the Dalai Lama! Long live the Vincent Lama! Long live the Vincent Lama!
Release the Vincent Lama now!
Where's the Vincent Lama now?
Release the Vincent Lama now!
Where's the Vincent Lama now?
Release the Vincent Lama now!
Where is the Vincent Lama now?
China, where is the Vincent Lama now?
China, where's the Vincent Lama now?
China, where is the Vincent Lama now?
Where is the Vincent Lama now?
Release the Vincent Lama now! Religious freedom in Tibet! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Tibet belongs to Tibetans! Religious freedom in Tibet! Release the Vincent Lama now! China lies! Tibetans die! Shame, shame, China shame! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! Shame on Chinese government! Shame on Chinese government! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Stop the genocide in Tibet! China lies, Tibetans die! Shame on Chinese government! Shame on CCP!
Shame on CCP!
Religious freedom in Tibet!
Religious freedom in Tibet!
Religious freedom in Tibet!
Religious freedom in Tibet!
The Vincent Lama is the youngest political prisoner in the world! Shame on Chinese government!
Shame on Chinese government! China, can you hear me? Release the Vincent Lama now! Release the Vincent Lama now! Where's the Vincent Lama now? Liar, liar, Chinese government! Liar, liar, communist China! Shame on Chinese government! Stop lying to the world! Stop lying to the world! Shame, shame, China, shame! Free Tibet, China out! Free Tibet, China out! 다들 차와야 자수, 차와야 고추수, 다 차와다 세라다 거리잠나, 눈이 개비 무투니 두치에 삼조 제매 쉬어이.
문제가 빠르다시게 문제 너무 빠르게 되니까 그냥 나 뭐야? 니네만
Free Tibet, China out!
Free Tibet, China out!
Free Tibet, China out!
Tibet belongs to Tibet!
blows to Tibetans! Stop the torture in Tibet! Tibet blows to Tibetans! Stop the killers in Tibet! Tibet blows to Tibetans! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Tibet blows to Tibetans! China lies Tibetans! Where's the Benjamin Lama now? Where's the Benjamin Lama now? Out of Tibet! Out of Tibet! Out of Tibet! Out of Tibet! Tibetans! Tibetans! Amen!
Hello, check. Hello.
During New York, New Jersey, Sunny Shunugi, Sejulegi, Ting Chunga Padere, Anganzo during their Shope Chuzu Chuji Tola, Anganzo, Commission Zabgi, Duila, Ani Yonche, Anganzo, Kembe Jabre, Tandangazo, Kembe Jabsani, Tandangazo, Chabashu Stanso, Tangazo de Zego go to you.
Hello, check. 뉴욕的牛节3年比什么更重点？那我参见你最主义，对比那我给他数据推荐你，前所其他，他把经济把握的包括他应该的大部，这些数据成本，绝对他们的许多钱，并且如果是那了那我年份呢，我自己肯定吃了，一到一三嘛，那我就去给菜酒，但是那么你菜酒如果听什么吧，你是那牛羊熊上，牛都那就相对就今年，其实你不相对谈过吧？ 호주의 기도와 반대되면 후회 지도 28년과 또 여사회의 처우다. 믹스 구조 우리 지나다 미네소타 사비 슈도기 토도와 다른 제일 사람과 같이 그런 사례 하나 되게 있던 거 뒤도 남쪽이 다 봐봤다. 안타깝게 절 맞은 약간 이 친구가 이 없이 집어가는 게 다른 아시 많았는데 사비 슈도기 나만데 우리 제주와 일반 사마라 저번 나도 지금 우리 갖고 나도 잡을 수 있어. 그래서 무슨 저것도 나도 지금 나만 같이 하고 있어. 接下来他们不先动，可以给他们准备就是这个，不是。西北的各处文人，
土地上边努比南巴，天之农机呀起公为云，起来给人送给，多切看所点呗。show yu cham se kyo nam kyu ga wa ga de phong gong la re pen so de shi ma tang ye pen so che ga sum de ke la de ke so de sa de ji ye
现在咱们民众组那只有面对这种的非的党党，他们都会给他的利益，在他这里让这所有的东南去，给这包的包括用那些咱的正常党，要么女的每个都有些呗，甚至这个容易跟你决定说的啥，同时面对自己，容易可能咱们继续原因。对这也可以。的确了，纽约的纽约是三年培育学生人做的工作，农场这里拉的，这里也全国的我就同时能有。
정말 지역을 정말 좋고라 부자 정말 그에 기코네 아니 다리게 먼저 니어다 뉴제 시간에 그렇게 주문해서 뭐냐 나왔다 시작이 제출라 하나도 내고 싶으면은 안 되는데 제주내고 생평아 바뀌기 돌아 아니 와서 산에 주유기 뭐냐 미세기 그것이 좋고 그러니까 단계들과 우리의 지도를 영상편에 저 단계 집중장을 여러 안티가 시간하고 믹스해보면 아마 되게 정신 같은 것같이 산에 미니소장이 산에 주력이 조금 잠깐 출산나 아니가 장아리 아리기 딱 교정수도 내부 체배기 도스마 지도가 차대 여러 프랑 안게라 배 두개도 스케일이 내상보다 아니 그들도 한번도 감이 그때 잘 보면 또 그런지라 공수에 신나서 안디나 시다리 게 내부가 크는데 이제 산에 뉴욕 뉴저지 산에 거기 신호렌조 안 줄레다 디나시 아니 좀나봐 요라 통마들이 나발랭게라 참비슈가 아니 다른 길 레고디기 모두 자가다 보고 말했어 모두 가지는 남아 저 캔세레다 다른 요들 레고디 탱하고 말해라 하나저기 다른 길 레고디 탱정아 봐도 차대요래 다 이내 딱 그거한테 다른 게 다른 길 레고디 토라 모두 빅담 쇼다지다 그다음 이내 송원나시래 하나저 니요 뉴저지 산에 불기 주는래도 깍 저게 봐 당고 저 가자 외댐 중체 두스마 띠레 아니 당기슈 이게 제일 남자 먼저 초대 집초에 갑니다. 다 산에 주노라지 먼저 즉 당랑 셔피시게다 믹스에 그렇게 뭐 잡히다 미리게 돈다 말아도 리그 되게 아니 리그의 프로퍼티가 이제 그 별거 준비해도 이제 리그가 아자자라 그래서 나나 남쪽으로 먼저 리그 대회가 아자자 나 딜레 제치에 아니 말아도 뭐야 당랑 마찬가지다 그거 따로 이제 잡히다 제가 그들 슈퍼다 제가 이제 아니 리그 진짜 최종으로 만들고 이만 딱 봐. 나 김에나 아니 그가 내가 이봐 좀 나와래가 지금 이게 뭐야 내가 참 그러면 그 거기 정말 계속 한 타면 타줘라 만들게 막내도 좋아해. 아니 집에도 좋아해. 아니 나왔다 자기 제일 좋으니까 아니 준비 교재 맞아 분위기 제가 준비 교재기 아니 제서 제도가 딱 그들 그렇게 또 망고지 있어서 또 용도를 또 나누는 거야. 아니 그렇게 별명 망고지 값들이 아니 그렇게 참 야이기 장면 전용하는 그때 도고 이게 나 망고지 차는 나가서 이게 주고요 가는 나가서 캐시를 그러니까 문제 주제지 맞아 로치가 땡땡 공지가 지금 도 이 중간 이만 딱 봐만 저 제고도 이마 존나 되다 이마 존나 나와내가 땡그래 맞아 순주 주제지 갑주제기 사나 내다 제서 제고야다 망조래 직 가라오래 그베기 직다 라자다 그베기 갑주기 이거지 무슨 게 뭐야 이 스큐비 직 내적이 인지가 가지고 마시고 고고요 이게 그게 망고지가 시기가 이게 나왔다 저기 제초기가 그저 시자다 지금 그저 시도다 지금 시식 아니 지금 그저 맞춰 진짜 미리게 돈달라 만들기 레벨 배그 녹차제 정말 지속이 다른 게 레벨이 생정하고 녹차세요래 좋아 아니 만들기 나왔다 저기 레벨 얘가 레벨 나가 이라면 뭐 못해 아니 망치에 담아둔 전화 중적들과 그걸 제대로다 지나치 아니 대진경제 예속들과 그들 주도 레벨다 지나치 아니 말하자면 뭐냐 그들 기간이 조샤다 범죄다 지나치 세제국을 나서봐 그제 가지고 레벨 제가 좀 내가 먹고 가시지 말아서 상해 주도 집복이 가려면 이집에 돈에서 아니 아까 지금 땅에 싸도록 쳐봐 지난번 굳이 무슨 내가 쳐봐 맨날 premiera 쳐봐 누가 굳이가 놀라 쳐봐 그래서 강제로도 쳐봐라 쳐봐 니네 들리지 쳐봐라 쳐봐 니나 신지 말아서 쳐봐 또 쳐 상만 잡으러 그러는데 가지고 레고지 이제 빼고 먹고 저기 와라 이제 이라 아니 이렇게 자리에 먹고 치고 먹어야 돼 처음에 나가 저렇게 되니까 그렇게 이해하지 즉 나가 저렇게 되는 나 가로다 도로다 즉 도로면서 즉 나중에 기사 지도부 가져나라 그래라 지우시고 이와 같이 되는 땡기가 즉 감사하다 즉 아니 나가 땡기 당기로다 저도 제대로 참아 즉 여기 땅에 준다라 가지고 보고 땅에 준다라 이직이 즉 가라다 이마 용조 보고 땅에 준다라 그게 지자 지구를 먼저 이 매번 나가서 제대로 그래라 제대로 와요 말에 그래라 소소도 정보로 소소도 그래기 소리 계다디에 계획하면 찾으면 지소다 준주다 안치 가서 참여도 정보에 내다 되게 차고 그래라 이제서 그러니 내가 잡고 들을 때에 먼저 이게 즉 모든이 빼고 해서 계집을 쉬우차고 들어와 아니 예자라 나가서 쓰이려면 근데 그게 착시 들수가 되는 기라 대체들 아니 사람들 기록분들이 숨어서 먼저 얘를 그 망고지 빼라다나 그래라 니기 팬통도 그래라 니직 하라고 심쇼 봐야다 그러니 다들 시쇼 듣는들아 니기 팬통도 송다도 이제 만들 그렇게 가면 어떻게지 근데 내가 계집을 동기로 이제 지도에 주적이 전력이 지금 말은 첫 번째가 말 잡히기 그러기 내가 잡혀다 제를 미국 관계 때나 나라도 처음에 이제 즉 그게 여덟 주니 저거 초유에네 아니 롱세에네다 디나 실수도 떠올랑죠 가래이나 즉 그저 잡혀기 내고 나라 뭐네 양초 제거하기 뭐네 항상 계집보다 비틀어 밥 놓상고도 단니마 담보면서 가라오래 아니 그 주가 니가 제거합니다 리스치 가라오래 준호이나래 불매이나래 저거처럼 지우이나래 진호 직 가라오래 우리 불매 직도이나래 제재기 내고 여 도매 여러 미쳐서 직 그냥 뭐 동포고 거는 딱 이상한 정부에 정부에 가보자고도 망고쟁이다 직소서도 나와가지고도 망고쟁이다 야게라 갈라와래 직직 소수적인 선거 당장 망고쟁이 때문에 정통으로 다 뒤에 그제那么就唱的广播些呢，你咱们下面了，马上就可能用到你国的北边的干啥嘛，就那么他这企业的马上就给开始就年到底差这个的，那么他这的开始我们那边就年以内的，你马上就让这个就年以内的，让这个就年呢，他那个马上就民有的他做民有的职差的了，직장은 저기 랑초자마도 요래된 거, 저사고 직차되게 이제니까 나라도 지도 나라 처음에기 공부체니 차준염대다 유한양품다 직주인 거야네 레그 간제지는 양품나 직패제셔부 사우도 빅사에게 비가 자제게 주저인가 가라와 지도 나라야 미카시에 따라 좀 도와다 가자 자전으로 뒤지고 넘어져 계세요. 민다 빠다 가양 내에 좋아해. 가라도 가제 나오냐. 준주 심해 준주 장모를 지혜다. 나라도 남부의 독신남이다. 이제기 체국가 대야다. 진주가 남부 중간에 이제기 도쿄 나고야다. 준주랑 맞은 동행 주고 해야지. 대치고 차야 되는 사람도 준주 먼저 하고야 말이야. 준주 제주도로 자매기 두개 이내 하고야 말이야. 같이 들으면 같으니까 누가 전쟁한 책이 야가지게 치면서 조선대 가자 빨다 민다 들어가고 뒤어 말이지 저기 예그를 니바지에 통하여 말이지 이내 나란 속에 그래기 뉴기병에가 쥐어다 이나시 지금 말한도 가나래 금일금일 직도다 이나시 말한 쪽이 흉을 쥐어 남생에다 체중에 들어가고 그거 말한 쪽 뭐냐 도변난 거야다 그저 동네 지역까지 계속 붙여도 전부도 아니 망고시로 있으니라 저희들아 생겨나면서 상마가 가리체 주제 쉬어다가 저희들 접시하기 주제는
Good morning, good afternoon. My name is Kesa Doma. I am a General Secretary for the Regional Tibetan Youth Congress. I would like to express and share a few words in English. So today we are gathered here to protest in front of the Chinese consulate, and they also mark the 15th Sichuleku, or the Sichuleku is in Tibetan, so which means it's a peaceful protest demonstration organized by the Regional Tibetan Youth Congress in York, New Jersey. The Sichuleku is a protest plan which was initiated and instilled by the Regional Tibetan Youth Congress of the 18th executive members. The main reason we came up with this peaceful protest demonstration is to commemorate and remember the 10th March 1959 on every 10th day of the calendar months. As Mr. Lobsang Tsering-la has already explained, the motive or the goal behind this peaceful protest is not to just protest and do a peaceful demonstration only on the 10th of March every year, but to do it every other time or every month on the 10th of the calendar months to remember and commemorate the Tibetan people who have sacrificed their lives for the Tibetan freedom movement. We also need to remember why the 10th of March 1959. That's a day when Chinese occupation of Tibet took place. And not only that, that's a day when the Chinese Communist Party also oppressed and Tibetan people were mercilessly killed, mainly the Tibetan monks, the supporters, the Tibetan people, which led to the fleeing of His Holiness the Dalai Lama And also during that time, we all are aware and know that there is a genocide which took place. A lot of Tibetans, or many Tibetans, who followed His Holiness the Dalai Lama during that time and fled and went to India as a refugee. So 10th of March 1959, and today's event, the 10th of every month as a Teju Legu, the main reason we are doing this is to do a peaceful protest demonstration. So if I remember, we started this Teju Legu back in August when we started our members leadership. So we have done different kinds of demonstration. We have done a peaceful protest or demonstration in front of the Chinese consulate, in front of the United Nations. We also have done a cycle rally. The cycle coming also Jackson Heights. We did a cycle rally. We did a running marathon. We did a hunger strike. There are different kinds and forms of protest that we have executed throughout this year. So today marks a very important, it's a 15th event day. I'm very happy and proud that the 18 executive members, we sat, we brainstormed about this idea, and it really worked. A lot of times we are doing the protest only on the 10th March. That's the time all the Tibetan people gather. But this 10th Teju Legu has brought all our Tibetan community together to voice our anger, frustration, and also the human rights violation against the Chinese consulate. So I wanted to share a few information on the idea how the Teju Legu actually began from the Regional Tibetan Congress. Krishna, thank you so much.
真的给这里啊，就是毛人都有嘛，那么说地也差，因为那样，真的人做的，说地，但是真正农路人家的能力马上去，这种去看，说有的哪里呢有本，真的人做的，去看页面，去录页面。说吧，你差的，你对农路追求经验这一辈子呀，差的毛病高的呀，去看页面给他，去录页面给大众给好的，让你给合作的帮助的，让这注意的，大众给他了，这都把人家帮我把的呀，去看页面，去录页面给我的，这类切通到这里，他这个的上面说出的一切有了定罪的，这些你把的，他长在家里啊，真正人做的，民生都有权利给做的。他躺在家里啊，有几个老年人给做的啊，先去给结果的都有，实际上你要按的给几位，都有权利给军人那么处理啊，不是手里给，那绝对要处理的。绝对学会啊，给电脑老的人些都不当教育的，提前看一下，是不要看。学会啊，给那么处理，先去给对面什么样的，别让我先当着他。老家嘛，兄弟别农路里啊，你加上当这个知识水平，你当时别农路的党民族、世界民族，是这个党民族在的，这是党，这里啊，基督教人一切都那么这边不这个这个没什么，这边也是的那么这么大个，自己这个也了，不知道你那个去，真正农路的出不能弄，但是别几十年能做的，你把这别让，当成老不出发的。从网络应该呢，就是说他这手机了，他们自己搞来的，咱们也不是自己也不是，那么之类的，你估计去是要在家里，那么这个人工必须搞的呀，你往刚往有几个人，那你必须你收入了，别呢，他们家家的经济工作上，人他最经济搞的呀，家他们啥样我们要，那放了概念的，搞得他经济工作没送点水家，忙呢就从基本这些都有，但是真正弄到了，你没给搞的呀，谁是年纪好的。并且有的都是拿着拿是紧张，那么这个联系这里啊，实际上你的两个的这些东西都会有的，都年这个因为啊，英国这里啊，大当地，我们他们的实际不要他们多，全把赶紧去头发因为啊，3年10年因为那的，10年嘛因为两个5年这两个不要不这个多，阿里两把人这些当然不看不要的。从前期有为呢，老母娘都当不住，婆母娘都当不住。那说你特别他，我那么直接毕业的，这搞不出来生意起码多，因为结果民族设计，我去当年民族第一句讲的呀，那么正常机会呢，跟那不成绩的，龙他妈大路呀，结果我们进到路呀，结果不定路呀，今天最重要的，结果不定路呀，因为呢，先去这边他进，先去他先这边他进的，这边进的。我们给钱拿了的，赶紧啊！我给你们去准备过的呀，那么这个交路里啊，我们就是我们真正的农业给多远了，明确有。这就革命这一辈呢，那么这个你打不得了呀，可能这个然后给放了咱可不远了。我们家乡过去跑过的那么这样子的，边边特别多，别给回去家是这样，这是党们家是这样。我去南部门里啊，新的法地给结合的，然后家是这样的，然后真家是这样的。因为这药的，谁的药的？在100年搞出这等这个方面，搞这些，还是真正拿到的呀，有什么几个？加上兄弟出去切的没多上的多个月，但是呢，真正拿到的呀，京都给他其实北京现在能做的，那么这个就对，因为当你就送了嘛，加上兄弟干的是不是北京现在能做的，你就不走路出发的打死，但这个人家差不多是用的。真正农路因为你真正能做的，我们当下的差不多，让这大众原因真的经常体检，那我们今年100年呀，家人的这当年都是主要给这些我们重要。他对这当的当在家里呀，天太深了，我有还就用就看到红色这个毛线的，还得讲究来吧，我的这个特色经历有吧，我的这个啥新原因就没那这里去有的，而且就看到真正年头大不了，这里这大家看了100年。到这里去吧，人家慢慢自己这个多些那种呢，他们如果在这边呢，那么自己也是没听见了吗？就去家去赶紧去出去。
하나 뒤가.
아, 그지 그지를 선주.
거기라. 그지 뒤가.
차와 신소리.
그지 세나 라지.
当小当不懂说，电子波浪自己。才没人的
家子别马西，차게不知道我别，日风的心塞大罗马去。
都
而且他跟他